guys, thanks for tuning back into my channel. It's about 6:30 p.m. and I just arrived at Jumbo Rock Campground in Joshua Tree National Park. For next 3 days, my friends and I are gonna check out some beautiful trails and special spots in the park. And this Joshua Tree National Park is located in southeastern California, east of LA and San Bernardino, and near Palm Springs. And driving time from San Francisco to this park is about 8 to 9 hours, and from LA probably 2 or 3 hours, and from Palm Springs maybe 1 hour. Wow.
I was on a plane to California. I had all the time I'd ever need. Did you even know I was looking for you? I think that I was hiding in between. How long, how long, how long did you wait for me? How long, how long, how long did you really need to figure it out? I got in a cab when I first got here. Take me to the only place I know. Listen to the people that I found there. If you ever see her, let me know. How long, how long, how long did you wait for me? Oh yeah. How long, how long, how long did you really need to figure? Was standing in the hall 7 hours. Knew that I could make it if I ran. Then I saw you walking out the back door, hand in hand with another man. How long, how long, how long did you wait for me? Yeah. How long, how long, how long did you really need to figure it out? To figure it out? To figure it out? Did you figure it out?
During our stay, the daytime temperature was 90s, so hiking in extreme heat was a bit challenging. Fortunately, nighttime temp was down between 50 and 60s, so we really enjoyed our stargazing evenings. Here are some tips on camping. Most of campsites in the park are first come first serve. Reservations can be made up to 6 months in advance, can be booked on Recreation.gov, but reserving a site is highly recommended if you are planning to camp on a weekend and a holiday. Camping fee is $20 per site per night, and this is for a maximum of 6 people, 3 tents, and 2 cars. Trash and recycling collection and bulk toilets and picnic tables are available. However, most campgrounds do not have water. And of course, campfires were not allowed during our visit, but allowed to use portable gas camping stoves. For more details, please check out the Recreation.gov. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe for more. See you guys on the next adventure. Bye.